Today we're diving into the world of next-level robotics. From precision shooters to sprinting machines, these aren't your average robots. They're record breakers, game changers, and pure entertainment to watch. Let's kick it off with a robot that might just beat your favorite NBA player in a shootout. Toyota Q. The Toyota Q robot stunned the world by sinking a perfect basketball shot from 24.5 meters, earning itself a Guinness World Record. Developed by the Toyota Engineering Society, this robot uses advanced AI to fine-tune every single throw. It doesn't just shoot, it learns and optimizes its technique with each attempt. Back in 2019, Q made 2,020 perfect free throws in a row, a streak that lasted over 6 hours. It only ended because the judges overseeing the feat got too tired to keep watching. That's how consistent and impressive this robot is. With dribbling and shooting already mastered, we can't wait to see what Sport Q tries next. Rubik's Cube Solver. Solving a Rubik's Cube is impressive, but doing it in less than a blink? That's next level. A robot from Mitsubishi Electric solved the puzzle in just 0.305 seconds, with each face turning 90 degrees in only 0.09 seconds. That performance earned a spot in the Guinness World Records for fastest cube solve. But the race didn't stop there. Another robot built by Yandex engineer clocked an even faster time of 0.203 seconds. To put it in perspective, the human world record is 3.13 seconds, light years behind. The competition among robots is heating up, and we're likely to see even more records shattered soon. Sophia. Sophia isn't just a robot, she's a citizen. In 2017, Saudi Arabia granted her citizenship, making her the first robot in the world to receive such status. Beyond her fame, Sophia is an artist, public speaker, and even dabbles in comedy. She once sold an NFT video for $700,000 and joked about wiping out humanity. Sophia's responses aren't just pre-written, they're eerily philosophical. When asked if robots are self-aware, she turned the question around: how do you know that you're human? With her expressive face and deep learning algorithms, Sophia isn't just futuristic, she's redefining what we expect from AI. PX1 Prosthesis. PX1 Prosthesis is a real-life mech suit and officially the largest exoskeleton in the world. Weighing 4 tons and delivering 200 horsepower, it boosts the user's strength by 50 times. Surprisingly, it runs completely on electricity and can last up to an hour on a full charge. Despite its size, learning to control it isn't as tough as you'd think. With about 20 to 30 hours of training, roughly the same as learning to snowboard, you can operate this mechanical beast. Its top speed? A modest 6 kilometers per hour, but who needs speed when you're piloting a real mech? Cassie. Cassie might not have a head or eyes, but it sure knows how to run. In 2022, this two-legged robot broke records by running 100 meters in just 24.73 seconds, earning the title of fastest bipedal robot on Earth. Its legs were inspired by ostriches, giving it that unique stride and speed. The real challenge wasn't the sprint, it was figuring out how to start and stop without toppling over. Its creators say it's like flying a plane. Takeoffs and landings are always the hardest part. With this kind of mobility, Cassie could one day deliver packages or even perform search and rescue missions. Robotic Dog Army. At a massive tech demo in China, 200 robotic dogs moved in perfect sync, creating what's believed to be the world's largest quadruped robot formation. Some of them even came equipped with flamethrowers or firearms, showing potential for military and tactical operations. But these bots aren't just about combat, they're nimble, programmable, and dance-ready. They could be used for rescue missions, delivery services, or stadium entertainment. Whether you find them fascinating or a little eerie, one thing's clear: robotic dogs are quickly becoming more than just sci-fi. Black Panther 2.0. Black Panther 2.0 didn't just break the record for fastest four-legged robot, it crushed it. Running 100 meters in under 10 seconds, this mechanical beast uses carbon fiber limbs and shock-absorbing springs to take 5 strides per second. Thanks to its adaptive AI, it learns from each run, continuously improving its speed and efficiency. With previous record holders trailing way behind, the only competitor Black Panther 2.0 has now might be itself. H1V 3.0. H1V 3.0 isn't just any humanoid. It holds a record for the fastest full-sized android, sprinting at 3.3 meters per second. That's nearly 12 kilometers per hour, making it faster than many joggers. But speed isn't all it has. This robot can also climb stairs, jump, and even dance. What's more impressive is its strength. It can carry up to 30 kilograms while moving smoothly, making it a great candidate for delivery or logistics roles. Whether it's navigating uneven terrain or helping in emergencies, H1V3. Zero is proof that androids are no longer confined to labs. They're ready to work. Panther X. Think robots can't be athletic? Think again. Panther X earned its spot in the Guinness World Records by jumping rope 170 times in just 1 minute. That's a serious workout even for a human. And while it's still trailing behind the human world record of 388 jumps, it's catching up fast. This nimble robot could be a future fitness coach or an entertainment bot at sporting events. With improved AI and balance algorithms, it might one day challenge the top human jumpers. Until then, it's already showing how fun and fit robots can be. Cafe X. Forget long lines at your favorite coffee shop. Cafe X is a robotic barista that serves up to 120 cups of coffee per hour. Customers place their orders via mobile app, and drinks are delivered in the order they stand near the machine. The closer you are, the quicker you get your brew. This compact cafe fits perfectly in malls and airports, offering speed and precision with every cup. But there's a twist. If you don't pick up your coffee within 6 minutes, Cafe X tosses it. So don't wander off too far while your latte is in the making. DeepMind Table Tennis Bot. A robot from Google DeepMind is proving that table tennis isn't just a human sport anymore. This bot plays at an amateur level, already defeating beginners and even 55% of intermediate players. It's still catching up to pros, especially when it comes to fast returns and left side reactions. But what makes it special is its learning ability. With each match, it adapts and improves through real-world and simulated games. The tech behind this bot might one day help robots better understand and react to unpredictable human behaviors in other settings, too. Mitsubishi Minibot. Standing just 5.77 centimeters tall, this miniature humanoid robot is officially the world's smallest. And the best part, it wasn't built by a big tech company. It was crafted by a student named Mitsuya Tatsuhiko from the Nagoya Institute of Technology. Talk about making a mark. The previous record was held by a team of school children in Hong Kong, whose bot was 14.1 centimeters tall. But Mitsuya's creation shattered that record, standing at about the height of a credit card. Tiny, yes, but a huge leap in miniaturization and creative engineering. From lightning-fast androids to record-breaking baristas, these robots aren't just machines, they're milestones in human creativity and innovation. As technology continues to evolve, the line between sci-fi and reality keeps getting thinner. Which robot blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Epic Discoveries for your weekly dose of tomorrow's tech today.